Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. By the title you have already guessed it. Yes, I am traveling. So join me in the journey of travel prep and let's get started with the video. Yeah, so first let's get walk through the list. So first section is transformation. Second is I'm gonna carry my footwear and stuff. Third is of course packing because that's the most important thing one can ever have. Fourth is electronic gadgets and fifth is miscellaneous. So let's divide the video into these sections and hope you will enjoy the aesthetics. So I'm gonna carry footwear. So before carrying your footwear, what you need to do, you need to just clean them because it is yucky. Like look at it, it's not white anymore. And let's not talk about this, it's extremely grimy and dirty, so I need to wash them and then I can store it in my suitcase. So I am going for a haircut. You can see the length of my hair and I'll do a hair wash, मतलब उन्हीं से ही करवाऊँगी. And उसके बाद I'm thinking of trimming down the dry ends, like बहुत ज़्यादा dry. If you can see, it's extremely dry. So I'm really 40 डिग्री है और मैं 40 डिग्री में बाहर निकलने का सोच रही हूँ. So wish me luck and I'll meet you after the transformation. Hi. Oh, it's too loud of a hi. But hi. Let's get started with the packing. I already have my suitcase ready, ready in the sense मैं लेकर आई नीचे से of course. And yes, I specifically put on makeup and little bit glam so that video अच्छा है cause I am using a different lens. Anyways, first step is to collect the clothes. I have already collected them. Now I have to just stuff it in the suitcase and let's do that. Yeah, my wardrobe is already packed up, all folded and stuff. I just need to put it in my suitcase. So clothes are already done. So let's give a tick mark to the clothes. Let's move to the part where I'm gonna carry the essentials, but it also falls under miscellaneous stuff. For makeup remover, I am gonna carry, surprisingly, not a micellar water, nothing, but coconut oil. I'm gonna carry this wipe as well so that it doesn't make my face oily. Very important, shampoo. This is the shampoo I usually use, Himalaya anti-dandruff. Of course, my favorite perfume, one of the favorite perfumes. The smell is so subtle of this perfume. I use it quite often. It's very subtle. I like subtle smells most of the time, so this works fine. Toothbrush and paste. I told you it's gonna be random. One more thing I just forgot to show you. I do collect these small testers of perfumes, like just to check the smell of it. So can you see? These small bottles I'm gonna carry. Now let's collect the makeup. Today I'm gonna carry very basic things जो लगता है usually. So this is my favorite K-Beauty का foundation. Definitely I'm gonna use it religiously all over the trip. And this is a brow thing which I borrowed from my mother because मेरे पास था नहीं. Maybelline mascara. So this is basically the base makeup I'm gonna use. Other than that, lip products, I have a lot of lip products. Recently I bought this amazing lip glosses. So exciting to share things with you guys. These lemon lip glosses. These many lipsticks I'm gonna carry. I know a lot. बहुत मुश्किल से focus हुआ है, but yeah, these are the shades I'm gonna be carrying with me. have also done my manicure, guys. Do let me know if this color suits me or not. But I have chosen a wine color, and to be honest, it still needs a lot of top coat. It's just the nail paint right now, but I'm loving it, the way the hand looks, and I love my manicure. Like, look at it. I am the witch. I'm the witch. Anyways, bye. Hi, so my packing is almost done. I'm still left with few things, but we all know what was going on, and we got the news on Tuesday. So the terror attack which happened in Kashmir left us all shocked, and it is so sad to hear such incidences. We all know what happened, and I hope that the people who lost their loved ones get the justice, and of course our heroes with no capes will again give us the justice we always wanted. And it is so sad to see such things, because we were also planning to go there in the month of June. You won't even believe, we started searching for packages and everything. My whole family was planning to go there, and after hearing the news, I can't even just say it, but it is so saddening to see such things. हमने पहले सोचा था अब शांत हो गया, बट क्या कभी शांत होगा? That is the question for every Indian out there. So I hope we get the justice, and I hope something, strict actions will be taken, and again Kashmir will be a very peaceful place. Anyways, that's that. Anyways, I'm yet to pack my electronics, so I've been preparing certain bags. मैंने already मेरे makeup वगैरह सब पैक करके रख दिया है, but still I'm left with electronics, जिसमें कि usually phone charger, battery backup, my vlogging equipment में hardly क्या है मेरा mic, and unfortunately this cam is not going with me, so you will be staying at home. But yeah, I'm gonna vlog all the things through my phone. So I'm gonna go freshen up and get ready for the airport, cause time हो चुका है. I still have few hours left, but उस बीच में I have to completely pack my bags and also have to edit the video. So yes, I want to post the video Sunday 12 बजे. So उसके पहले I have to make sure that the video is quite like perfectly edited. So yes, I'm gonna do that as well, and I'll meet you before leaving. Hi guys, I'm all ready and set to go. And let me show you my outfit. I'm wearing this white shirt, जो कि मैंने west side से लिया था. It's not that pressed, to be honest, but ठीक है. And white leg jeans. Along with that, I'm wearing my Crocs. And yes, I am all set to go. I'll have my lunch, and then उसके बाद मैं निकल जाऊँगी. And I'll meet you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. And I hope you liked watching this video. The location of my travel will be soon revealed. You're gonna see it really soon, I hope so. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and wait for part 2.